Are you ready to see God's promises manifest in your life with undeniable power? Discover how to turn hopeful prophecies into concrete realities. Prophecies often come with conditions like Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19 where obedience unlocks blessings. But decrees are God's unwavering declarations like, "Let there be light" in Genesis chapter 1 verse 3. They are unconditional and absolute. God's word is final. Psalm chapter 33 verse 9 says, "For he spake, and it was done, he commanded, and it stood fast. When God decrees something, it is established." Abraham received prophecies of countless descendants, but in Genesis chapter 18 verse 14 God made a decree, "In 9 months' time Sarah will give birth to a son." This transformed a hopeful promise into an unshakable certainty. God's decrees are powerful. They are not subject to change or cancellation. They are the final word on a matter. How can you, as a believer, move God to turn prophecies about you into decrees? It starts with honoring Him. Honoring God is the key to unlocking His power. Honoring God isn't always about grand gestures. Abraham simply showed hospitality. You can honor God through obedience, Matthew chapter 28 verses 19 to 20, service and first fruits, Proverbs chapter 3 verse 9. The centurion in Luke chapter 7 verses 1 to 10 demonstrated unwavering faith, prompting immediate healing. Similarly, the grateful leper in Luke chapter 17 verses 12 to 19 received complete wholeness through thanksgiving. Faith and gratitude are powerful tools. They move God to action and cause Him to release His decrees. As you honor God through obedience, service, faith, and gratitude, prepare to witness every good prophecy transform into an unshakable decree in your life. Don't just read the Word, live it. Subscribe for more empowering messages, share this with someone who needs it, and leave a comment about how you're honoring God today. Let's unlock God's power together. This message was brought to you by Dr. Prince Emmanuel Benson, aka MOG. For more devotional content, click the link in my bio.